Welcome back. Today we are going to see a very special friend in the class. Do you want to know the name of that friend? Yes? The name of your friend is Monster. Friend and a monster? Yes! I'm going to show you how. So let's get started. So for that, here I am taking a glass of water. Let's pour all the water inside this. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's mix it. Mix. Let's mix it properly. Now, after this, we have to add 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to add 4 spoons of liquid hand wash. Now let's mix them properly. Mix. And we are done. I'm very excited to see the monster. Are you? Yes? Let's see the monster now. So next thing which I'm taking here is half-cut bottle and a socks. Now what I'm going to do is मैं इसको ये socks पहनाने वाली हूँ. Yes. Let's put it on like this. Pull it properly. Oh, come on, pull it. Let's pull the socks. Now I'm done. Can you see? Yay! Now I am going to mix the material again with this bottle. Mix. Very good. Now, are you all ready to see the monster in the class? Are you? Okay, let's see now. See, I told you. There is one of your friend who wants to meet you. Do you want to see? It's a big bubble monster. A friendly monster. Ow. Monster, sit down here. Thank you. How do you like this? I hope you all like this experiment a lot and you will do this experiment at home. I'll see you in the next class. Toodles.